Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the unboxing of Wi-Fi hotspot, and I will review it and tell you what are the uses and advantages of this Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's start. First of all, this is the Wi-Fi device. It has a special branding here. It looks very nice. It is a very texture. It's very soft. On its left side there is written Wi-Fi, your personal hotspot, and there is one code of or device number JMR 541, and downside there is a logo of Reliance. Growth is life. On right side there is also same, and from upside we can see love with Geo. And so at back side there are some features I will tell you about. First of all, the features is you can create your own hotspot. Means if you don't have any hotspot at your home, you want Wi-Fi to connect many devices, so this is best. So it can connect up to 31 devices at your home, such as tablets, laptops, any devices up to 31. But I will recommend not to connect up to 31 devices, as it is not capable of doing that much progress at a time. But you can connect up to 10, 12 as your data speed and internet is there. So it has a battery, 2600 mAh battery, wireless sharing through SD card, means there is a slot of SD card, and this can enables HD voice and video call on any smartphone. So how to do that I will talk about after some time. And last is suite of digital cells. So the price of this Wi-Fi hotspot is 2490, but now the price has dropped down. It is generally about 1000 rupees, 999. So the net quantity is one router is there, hotspot we can say, one USB cable is there, and some warranty cards are there, and some and one adapter. So let's unbox this. Okay, so first of all I will seal this. So you can see one cable is there. So this is a cable, USB cable. It is very long. So let's keep it aside. And the downside of the cable, there is one adapter. You can connect this USB to like this, and you can charge or share through wire. So let's keep aside this charger. Then you have one box written Geo Digital Life. So let's keep it aside. And here is the logo. So let's open it. Here there are some warranty cards, indicators. As you can see, as there are indicators, I will tell about you after sometimes how they work. And inside this there is one package. So let's unbox this. And here there is written Geo 4G voice, download for free voice call. So this is the Wi-Fi device. As you can see, it is pretty much good. It is plastic. Here there are two buttons, power button and VPS button. So let's open this. Here you can see one battery is there. If we pull the battery, you can see we can enter here a slot of SIM. There is password. If you want to if there is one question if you mind, if we will insert SIM in this Jio hotspot, then how will the phone get called? So first, for that you have to download Jio voice call, then you can automatically connect and then you can use this. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.